Dubai Airshow 2021. The Dubai Airshow is one of the largest and most successful airshow in the world, connecting aerospace industry professionals across the globe. The biggest ever Dubai Airshow began at Al Maktoum International Airport on Sunday the 14th of November 2021 and it will run up to Thursday the 18th of November 2021. It's an amazing 5-day airshow connecting more than 1,200 exhibitors. Dubai Airshow 2021 is also one of the largest of its kind since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. About 148 countries are taking part in the event, with 13 of them for the first time. Also, 371 new companies are participating in the first world's largest ever aviation event. The show also features more than 160 of the world's most advanced aircrafts on the ground and in the air. Almost all the major global aviation industry players, both commercial and military, are taking part in the event. Prior to the pandemic, the airshow recorded multi-billion-dollar commercial and military deals during the previous editions. Interestingly, Dubai Airshow, which will run till November 8, has allowed members of the general public, families and children to witness the daily flying display from the purpose-built Skyview Grandstand for free during the 5-day show. The Skyview Grandstand will be open from 1 to 5:30 p.m. Access for general public will be limited to the Skyview area and not the main airshow exhibition hall. In the rest of this video, it should be an overview of the events and flying activities that were carried out during the airshow. Kindly watch to the end and let us know what you think in the comment section. Meanwhile, if you're still very new to my channel Aviation Info, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my future uploads.